Today's video we are going to be unboxing plus trying on, doing a full review on the Boxycharm Base box for December 2020. So before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. And I love the fact that some of y'all are leaving in my comment section that you are now using the judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone as a motto for your everyday life. I'm like, yes, motto, that's right? I don't know. Anywho, first video of the day, guys. Super excited. My Boxycharm just arrived. I did use a lot of the products that are in here because, like I said, I wanted to give you guys a full review on everything. And you guys said you like more when I am able to do the try-on. So, anywho, if you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. You know, I'm trying to get that 10K swipey uppy. We are like about 1,400 short. That's my goal for 2020. I also have a second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I upload Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. and it's a lot of Rhonda rambles. I am now showing some of my Peloton workouts over there, but majority of the time I'm just chilling on my PJs, unboxing things because I'm a big time online shopper. Anywho, let's just go ahead and jump into the unboxing of our base box for December 2020. Okay guys, so let's start right off with the fact that this was shipped by itself. Now this is PR. It was sent to me to unbox and review for you guys, and it was sent separately, and I have the weight of this. The weight is 1 pound 0.45 kgs. That is FedEx. Normally I have my mail scale sitting here, but you guys always ask what the weight is so you can kind of get an idea if this is your variation. That is what you guys tell me. So jumping right into the box, if you guys are new to Boxycharm Base box, this is a $25 a month box where you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies in here, and you do get to customize one item in the box. Now, like I said, this was sent to me in PR, so I had I made no choices. What I get what I get, and I don't throw a fit. So anywho, jumping right in, you typically always get a nice little card in here. There is a theme every single month to the boxes. This month's theme is Boxycharm Bubbles and Glitz, and we're going out with a bang for December, going into 2021, which I'm pretty sure that's what everybody is wanting, hoping for, wishing for. By the way, if you guys are curious about my top, it is from Torrid. Welcome to the ADHD Strong channel. Judgment free zone. Anywho, on here, like I said, Bubbles and Glitz is the theme for this month's boxes. On the other side, you're going to see the variation on here, which mine is variation 16. And like I said, the weight of the box was 1 pound 0.45 kgs. That is via FedEx. So anywho, on the card you're going to have a little description of everything in the box, the retail value of everything, and like I said, you do get to customize on specific days of the month. Honestly, guys, I haven't even had caffeine yet, so good luck to me. Okay, so like I said, I did go ahead and do a try-on of everything in the box. The first thing I wanted to show you guys, which was something that I've seen on Instagram a lot. This is the Sponge by Makeup Eraser, the first ever machine washable sponge. Now, honestly, I thought this was kind of cool because one thing I do not enjoy doing is washing my beauty blenders or beauty sponges. So this little doodad in here, it's cool because I actually have one for my undergarments, like my bras and such. And this is like a mini version of this. So this is what the sponge looks like. I have used it, and again, you're going to see it pop up on some videos over here of me, you know, blending out my concealer and everything. I will tell you guys, when you open this up, it is a bit smaller, and then when you dampen it, it blows up. So anyhow, all you're gonna do is you're gonna put it right into this little component like so. You can just throw it right into the washer, and I thought, you know, that's kind of cute. You know, it does seem to only be enough for one size, but it does make me wonder with the one that I have for my bras that is much bigger. maybe I just throw all my beauty blenders in there. Like, how cool would that be? So a little information about this particular item, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts on it as well. This little doodad right here, it does have a retail value of $18. It's the first ever machine washable sponge specifically formulated by the original makeup eraser. It features the same unique wash tech technology to erase makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing. And like I said, I'm excited to try that. Now, let's talk about this sponge. I love the texture of it. I love the way it feels. It's not anything like that hard rubbery type of consistency. It's very soft, and it was very nice to, you know, use. It was very similar, I would say, like feeling wise, if you have the Hotmess beauty sponges that I rave about, it feels very similar to that. Anyways, I did like the way it blended everything out, and like I said, I love the fact that it comes in this cute little doodad and you can just pop it right into your washer. So that was the first item. The second item, which again you're going to see me using, is the Ofra banana powder. This is a brightening and setting powder, and I'll be honest with you guys, I have this from years ago. It did not have a set years ago. This one does, and if you love banana Laffy Taffy, that's what this smells like. You guys know there was something that we just received, I don't remember, I think it was in like another subscription, and that was the one thing I was bummed about because I wanted that banana Laffy Taffy scent. This has it. Now, it's not an overpowering scent for me personally, but don't trust me 100% because your girl is an allergy and sinus sufferer. So, but for me, I love this, and I was a little scared because I felt like it was like really yellow, like you guys see that, but it blended out beautifully. It works with my skin tone, and right now I have no sunless tan on. I have no tan whatsoever, so I'm definitely more of like a light to medium versus medium what I am in the summertime. So this worked great for me. I love that it like smooths underneath the eyes and everything, and you're going to see that I actually did set my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base primer on my lids with this, and it was beautiful. It wasn't too yellow, it wasn't too anything, and it worked perfectly. I think this was actually part of Boxy pop-up as well, so hopefully it'll be part of add-ons for this month. So anyways, a little information about this. This is by Ofra Cosmetics. It's a pressed banana powder. This innovative matte powder is lightly banana scented and extremely versatile. Use it to conceal dark under eye circles, set concealer and foundation, highlight, and even as a matte eyeshadow, which again you guys will see in a little bit later in the video. It does have a retail value of $35, and again, it was beautiful. I mean, I loved it, and I wish I had set my whole face with it. I just kind of did underneath my eyes and the center, and I didn't feel like it did any type of drying or anything like that to my skin. For this being a matte powder and me having more normal to somewhat dry skin, I actually really like this, found it to be very comfortable, so very excited about this. And the next item in here, I was okay, here's how I feel about it. Happy and like darn, okay, for a couple reasons. As we know, when it came to the variations of the eyeshadow palettes in the base box for December's Boxycharm boxes, there was 3 different palettes we could expect. One of being the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession, the Amethyst, and then of course the Artist Couture Caliente palette, which you guys know that's kind of what your girl was wanting. There's still hope. There's still hope. I did end up getting rid of my Luxe and just did a base box instead, because even though I made my choices for the Luxe, I was like, you know what, I really kind of want the base box instead. Anyhow, I ended up getting the Huda Beauty. This is the Amethyst Obsession palette, and you guys actually talked me into this one because at first I was a little like, I don't know, purples with my blue eyes, my allergy eyes, I don't know how it's going to work for me. Again, you're going to see a video of me applying everything. You guys, it's actually a really pretty purple palette, and I really enjoyed using and playing around with this palette. I did use some of my Lumify drops to help whiten and brighten the whites of my eyes, so I think that that was perfect because, like I told you guys, with my allergy eyes, I was a little nervous because these are like, some of them are pinky undertoned type of purples that I was a little worried was going to accentuate that allergy eye. So good news, Lumify brought it home. I'm loving the purple. I love like mixing. That's something that I've started doing, is kind of mixing my shades together. Everything applied very nice. You will see I did have some fallout, and I think that was just the technique that I used to apply some of the shades. So I think that was more of a operator error versus like, you know, the palette. But I mean, to each their own. I mean, we kind of know that when it comes to purples or dark shades or whatever, and you're trying to pack it on, you're gonna have fallout. That's pretty common. But overall, I think it's a really pretty palette. I'm super excited to have it in my collection. I am super hopeful that either it's in my paid for base box that is coming, or we see the Caliente palette in the add-ons that is happening December 7th. I really want that to happen. So, a little information about this. This is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession eyeshadow palette. It does have a retail value of $27. It says each Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette is packed with a selection of 9 highly pigmented mattes, striking shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. Amethyst has 6 duochrome and 3 matte shades in commanding mauve and violet tones. So like I said, I am really excited about it because, like I said, you guys made me start to want this. And the last video I filmed talking about it, I was like, you know what, I don't think I'm gonna be too mad if I receive it. So anywho, and like I said, I did use the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base, which a lot of you guys said you picked up during Cyber Monday and Black Friday sale. This was like marked down to under $11, and this is my go-to. This is my go-to. I absolutely love it. Okay, moving on to the next item in my box is the Tarte Man Eater Mascara. What you are going to notice is it does appear that I have mascara on at the time before I start applying this. And you guys, if you guys have been with me, you guys know I am obsessed with the Blink Black Primer. It is a black primer that does look like mascara, but you can pile your mascara right on top of it, and I just absolutely love this. This was part of Boxy pop-up for like $3 or $4, and I just wanted to make mention because, like I said, when you guys see the video, it's gonna look like I already have mascara on, but I don't. I have primer. So this is the Tarte Man Eater Mascara. It does have a retail value of $23, and it says, warning, maximum compliments ahead with the volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and weightless triple black formula. $23 retail value. So here's my thoughts on this mascara. I actually really like this. I liked the wand. The wand reminded me kind of very similar to the Black Blink Primer, where it is like the, not spiky, but it really, I don't know if my camera will even focus. This one's the Tarte, this one's the Blink, but it has almost like a grippy type of brush to it. I don't know if that's even doing any justice, but anyways, where you can really get into each and every single lash. So I like that, because then after I did my primer and then I went in with this, I felt like the same thing was happening. I could really get to the root and the base of my lashes and then wiggle them up and really fan them out so they're not as like together, because I don't have like the best lash game, guys. And so for this, I really like this, and I like how big it is too. And I felt like the wand was really easy to use, no issues whatsoever. But the biggest takeaway from this that I could, you know, that I really liked about it was the fact that it really helps to separate each of my lashes without making them look too like spidery. So that was something that I appreciated. Okay, moving right along to the last item in variation 16, and this is the MAC Cosmetics Luster, probably saying it wrong, lipstick. I have it on today. I did pair it with my Gerard Cosmetics Melrose Place lip liner. This is that lip liner with this lipstick. This lipstick is so comfortable and so creamy, and at first glance, yeah, I was a little nervous about the shade, but it is more of a sheer buildable type of lipstick. Very comfortable, very moisturizing, and I think right now, like, I don't know about y'all, but Kentucky, it's actually doing what it's supposed to do at this time of year, and it's cold. So we actually had snow, like when you guys see this video, it'll probably be almost a week ago. But very comfortable, very moisturizing, perfect for the winter time. Little information about this MAC Cosmetics. It's a retail value of $19. It says, meet MAC lipstick, the iconic product that made MAC famous. The lightweight formula glides easily with the sheer to medium buildable coverage and has a lustrous finish. So that is everything in this particular variation, you guys, and my thoughts on this box, I'm in love. Like, I'm super, super excited about it. I think one of the standout products is definitely these two. I'm trying to like look at everything. I don't know, I really love everything in this box. That is something that, I mean, let's be honest, when it comes to a subscription, it's gonna be pretty normal not to like everything that you receive in the subscription, but y'all, I like everything in this box. I'm really excited about this. I mean, like I said, you guys got me really wanting the purple. Yes, I wanted the Caliente. There's still hope. There's a potential for add-ons, but the fact that this smells like a very yummy, delicious yellow banana Laffy Taffy makes my heart unbelievably excited and happy. Like, I love that. And I love the fact, like I said, that I applied it under my eyes and I don't have like this dry, crepey look or anything like that. So anyways, guys, like I said, variation 16, absolutely love it. I was gonna ask you guys this question. You guys leave me a comment down below. I've got a couple more videos I'm gonna film, so you're gonna hear this question a couple more times. So here's the question that I have for you guys. What perks, not box related, would you like to receive for being a premium and or luxe charmer? Example, easy access to new product launches, opportunities to participate in exclusive giveaways, etc. So, you know, I saw the comment or the question going around over on Instagram, and this was one that Boxycharm asked us to ask you guys. And, you know, for me personally, I love the fact of getting to see new exclusive, like say eyeshadow palettes or face palettes or just products in general before they actually hit the market. To me, that's pretty exciting, and that's something that I'm really enjoying. And let me know you guys' thoughts down below on that. Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts on this particular variation. If you guys are curious about signing up for Boxycharm, I always have a link down below for you all. It's in my description box, as well as I will post it in my comment section for you guys. There's still time that I believe if you sign up now, you will receive some sort of variation. Of course, you're not going to get to customize one of the items, but on December 7th, that is when choice opens up for everybody. Boxycharm has changed it, so there's no specific days for any specific membership. It opens up for everybody. Everybody can make their choice and everybody can start shopping the add-ons, which I think is pretty exciting. So anyways, like I said, let me know your thoughts down below as far as what perks that you would like to see as a premium or a luxe member. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, guys. I would greatly appreciate your support over there as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to give me a big thumbs up. Like I said, you guys said that you love seeing the try-ons and reviews, which does make these videos a little bit longer, so I hope you guys don't mind. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.